Good morning students. Today we start exercise 30.2 of chapter surface area and volume. In this exercise we use two formulas. First one is curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder which is 2 pi r h, where r is the radius and h is the height of cylinder. The second one is total surface area of cylinder which is 2 pi r plus h. In question number 1, the statement is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14. Height is 14 centimeter and curved surface area of cylinder is 88 centimeter square. Question is find the diameter of circle. As we know, the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Curved surface is 88. Value of pi is 22 by 7. R, value of h is 14. This cancel out, so R is 88 upon 2 into 22 into 2. This becomes 4, 2, 4. R is equal to 1 centimeter. So diameter is 2R. This is 2 into 1. 2 centimeter is the diameter of cylinder. This is the answer. This is very simple one. Curved surface area is given which is 88. So 2 pi is 22 by 7. R is required. H is 14. 7 to 14. When we divide this, we get 1. So diameter is 2 centimeter. In question number 2, the statement is it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. So height of cylindrical tank is 1 meter and base of diameter is 140 centimeter. So radius is 140 upon 2 into 100 in meter. This cancel out 7. So 7 by 10 meter is the radius. From a metal sheet, how many square meter of the sheet required for the seam? So sheet requirement is the total surface area of cylinder which is 2 pi r plus h. So in this, pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 by 10, r is 7 by 10, h is 1. So this is 2, this cancel out. 22 upon 10, this is 0.7 plus 1. So this is 2 into 22 into 1.7 upon 10. This is 44 into 1.7 upon 10. When we multiply this is 68, 6, this is 68, this is 68, 8 and 6 is the carry. So this is 68 plus 6 is 74, 7.8. So 7.48 meter square is the sheet which is required to form a cylindrical tank. In this question, the statement is it is required to make a cylindrical tank whose height is 1 meter and diameter of base is 140 centimeter. We are required to find the metal used for making this tank. So we are required to find the curved surface area. This means this is the cylinder. We are required to find this and this. This means this is the curved surface area and this is the area of base pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This is the total surface area. In question number 3, the statement is a metal pipe 77 meter long, 77 centimeter long this means the height is 77 centimeter. The inner diameter of the section is 4 and outer diameter is 4.4. So first we require the inner surface area. So first one is inner surface area of this metal pipe. So inner surface area is 2 pi r1h. So pi is 22 by 7, r1 is 4, h is 77. So this is 11, this is 44, multiply 44. So when we multiply this 44 by this 44, that's 44 into 44. So this is 7 into 11 pi, this is 44, 11 4 is 44, this is 16 1, this is 17, this is 16, this is 17, 6 3 1 9. So 19361 is the inner surface area. In this question there is one problem. There is diameter. This is not the radius, this is the diameter. So this is d1 d2. So r1 is 4.2, which is 2 centimeter, and r2 is d2 upon 2, 4.4.2, which is 2.2. So in this r1 is 2. So this is 22. When we multiply this is 48. This is 88 into 8. 88 968 centimeter square is the inner surface area. And the second one is outer surface area. Outer surface area. Outer surface area is 2 pi r2 into h. Pi is 22 by 7. R2 is 2.2 and h is 77. This is 11. So this is 44 into 22 by 10 into 11. When we multiply this, we get, so this becomes 44 multiply 11. This is 44 into 11 2 is 22, 22 this is 24 by 10. When we multiply this is 8 16 9, 8 6 9. So this is 8 14 16 1. So this is 1064, 8 divided by 10, 1064.8 centimeter square is the outer area.